Installation of the upgrade for WAW Water reverse osmosis filtration systems, unpacking the components from the box. The WAW Water upgrade kit consists of the upgrade unit itself, one piece of tubing, 2 meters long, instruction manual, installation and connection. If your reverse osmosis filtration system is equipped with a single faucet, we recommend ordering a double one. This will allow you to use the resources of the upgrade more efficiently. If your filtration system already includes a double faucet, the upgrade is installed in the following order. Shut off the water supply to the system. Close the valve on the osmotic storage tank. Now it's necessary to release excess pressure in the system. To do this, open one of the valves on the water dispensing faucet and wait until the water stream stops. The excess pressure in the system has been released. Close the valve on the water dispensing faucet. Disconnect the tubing in your system that connects the water dispensing faucet to the mineralizer. It must be disconnected exactly at the point where it connects to the mineralizer. Connect the just disconnected end of the tubing to the upgrade at the connection labeled ionized structured water outlet. Take the 2-meter tubing included in the upgrade kit and connect one end to your mineralizer. Connect the other end of this tubing to the upgrade at the connection labeled water supply from reverse osmosis system inlet. Place the upgrade in a convenient location. All tubing segments included in the kit are provided with extra length so that you can place the system and all of its components wherever is most suitable for you. However, you can reduce their length using a utility knife to match the required dimensions. Start the upgrade. To do this, open the water supply valve to the system and the valve on the osmotic tank. The upgrade is now implemented into your system. Flushing the upgrade. Before using the system, it is necessary to perform an initial flush. Open the drinking water valve on the water dispensing faucet. Drain approximately 1 to 3 liters of water until the water becomes clear. Close the drinking water valve on the water dispensing faucet. The upgrade is now implemented, flushed, and ready for use. Checking the main output parameters. To do this, from the drinking water faucet, it is recommended to check the following: oxidation reduction potential, i.e., the presence of excess electrons, presence of free hydrogen. Total hardness. The value in drinking water should be in the range of 50 to 100 parts per million. If the installation is carried out by the manufacturer's specialist, the above parameters will be checked immediately after flushing and installing the system. Otherwise, you can perform this yourself using specialized instruments available for purchase from the manufacturer or from other specialized stores and online. In this video, we have shown one of the most common standard installation options for integrating the upgrade into your filtration system. If you plan to install the system in a different location, you can always consult with WAW Water system specialists. Our water treatment system can be implemented in any part of a kitchen set or other furniture, as well as in any premises.